Astronauts in space lose their sense of thirst and can become severely dehydrated. Food may also seem tasteless due to a diminished sense of taste, but why does this happen? These are just some of the challenges astronauts face as their bodies adapt to the unique environment of microgravity. The loss of thirst in space is primarily attributed to the fluid shift that occurs in the absence of Earth's gravitational pull. Normally, gravity draws fluids downwards, pooling them in the lower extremities. This downward pull triggers signals in the body that induce feelings of thirst. However, in the microgravity environment of space, bodily fluids become evenly distributed, leading to a sensation of fullness and tricking the body into believing it is more hydrated than it actually is. This lack of thirst signals can lead to inadequate fluid intake and, consequently, dehydration. Hormonal changes associated with spaceflight can also affect fluid regulation and contribute to a decreased sense of thirst. To combat this, astronauts often rely on timers or strict schedules to remind themselves to drink water regularly, ensuring they maintain proper hydration for optimal physical and cognitive performance. In addition to the challenges of staying hydrated, the diminished sense of taste experienced by astronauts is also linked to this fluid shift. In the initial days of spaceflight, the upward movement of fluids can cause puffiness in the face, similar to the congestion experienced during a head cold. This puffy face phenomenon can obstruct nasal passages, hindering the sense of smell, which plays a crucial role in taste perception. While the body adapts to the fluid shift over time, the enclosed environment of the space station presents another challenge to the astronaut's sense of taste. The confined air, filled with a mixture of odors from body odor to machinery, can interfere with the olfactory system, further dulling taste perception. As a result, astronauts often find that food tastes bland or lacks its usual intensity. To compensate for this sensory decline, they frequently turn to condiments like hot sauces, spices, and other flavor enhancers to make their meals more palatable. Providing a variety of condiments not only helps maintain crew morale, but also ensures that astronauts receive adequate nutrition and enjoy the vital communal activity of sharing meals together. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station need to conserve and recycle resources. Luckily, NASA has developed a highly efficient water recycling system for the International Space Station that can recover 98% of the water used by astronauts. This system, crucial for long-duration space missions, recycles everything from urine and sweat to breath moisture, reducing the need for costly and complex resupply missions. The Environmental Control and Life Support System, or ECLSS, uses advanced dehumidifiers and distillation processes to convert wastewater into clean drinking water. A recently added component, called the brine processor assembly, further extracts water from urine brine, a byproduct of the distillation process, increasing the recovery rate from 93 to 94% to 98%. This innovative technology ensures a continuous supply of clean water for drinking, food preparation, and hygiene, marking a significant advancement in life support systems for future space exploration. Today, astronauts on the International Space Station enjoy a diverse and flavorful menu, benefiting from regular deliveries of fresh produce and even the ability to cultivate some crops on board. However, the unique environment of microgravity still necessitates careful consideration in food preparation and consumption. Liquids like salt and pepper are used to prevent particles from floating around and potentially interfering with equipment or causing discomfort. Special packaging and preparation methods are required for various foods to ensure they are safe and easy to consume in weightlessness. While food and drink choices have expanded for astronauts, alcohol remains strictly prohibited due to safety concerns and potential damage to equipment. Nevertheless, historical accounts reveal instances of alcohol being smuggled on board, highlighting the human desire for familiar comforts, even in the extraordinary environment of space.